Boil bananas before sleep and have the water from cooking them amazing effects. Everyone who has felt the struggle with insomnia wants to get rid of it for good. Nobody wants sleepless nights and spending their time just laying on their bed and not being able to fall asleep. If you are dealing with insomnia, sleeping for 8 hours as you need to surely seems mission impossible. If you have dealt with insomnia before, you know that you desperately need to go to sleep because you are dead tired, but because your mind is not calm you can't do it and the morning sun catches you. Many people have dealt with this issue, but very few have tried to do something to prevent from it. Luckily, the insomniacs are now offered a natural homemade tea that fights insomnia. Mostly insomnia occurs if you are dealing with too much stress or sometimes because of depression. Sometimes no matter how much you try to make everything work, at your home, at your workplace, to catch all appointments, it simply seems impossible, only because you are dealing with insomnia and you feel tired. A lot of medicine were triggered by insomnia, because no matter how much a person is tired, if his or her brain is working actively, they won't be able to fall asleep. Taking some medications like painkillers or antihistamines, or even medications for heart and pressure are all causing a lot of problems and side effects. But when you start taking them, they will make you even more stressed and awake. Therefore, we found out this tea that can deal with insomnia, and even eliminate it out of your life. The banana tea. This tea is very simple and easy to make, you will just need a little time and a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. This tea, that is made from banana is very tasty, but not only that, it provides amazing benefits. The banana peels are very rich with magnesium and potassium, and we all know that magnesium is very beneficial for sleeping issues. And combining these two ingredients or minerals, can provide quite amazing effects for our health in general, and also relax our muscles. The best mineral for this issue, is probably the magnesium. Be very aware that you need to get 100% organic bananas to make this tea, because the non-organic ones contain a lot of pesticides in their peels. 10 minutes of your time is all that it takes to make this tea. Ingredients: a dash of cinnamon, a pot filled with water, 1 medium-sized banana. Instructions: before putting the banana to cook, cut the tail part from it. Let the banana cook in the boiling water for about 10 minutes or so. Then take it off the heat, let it cool down a bit, and you can add the dash of cinnamon inside. 1 hour before going to sleep, drink the tea. When the banana is cooked, you let it cool, you add the cinnamon, and no ingredient goes to waste. Use a coffee filter to put it in a cup. The banana is providing a lot of positive effects against insomnia. Don't worry, the tea tastes and smells very good, and we mentioned before, it is able to relax your muscles. Why are the sleeping pills harmful for you? Millions of US citizens are dealing with insomnia, and they are taking these medications from despair. But the bad thing about these pills, is that they are offering a short-term solution. Many pills and medications like these, are drug-based and they are not curing anything, they can just make a person addicted to them. These types of drugs are called sedative hypnotics. Also, there are a few other drug-based medications that are making people addicted to them, such as Valium, Xanax, and pills that contain barbiturates and benzodiazepines. The barbiturates are very strong sedatives, and they cause depression of our nervous system. Besides from addiction, the sleeping medications have side effects too: strange shaking, weakness, no focus and memory loss, dizziness, parasomnia, constipation. The sleeping medications can cause some respiratory issues. Therefore, it wouldn't be very smart to take some. If you are dealing with asthma or COPD, they might cause fatal side effects. How can the lack of sleep affect us? It is really bad and exhausting, not to be able to get a good 8-hour sleep. Sleeping under 8 hours will make you tired, and your body and mind will start to suffer. Mostly this is followed by memory loss and cognition. Are you able to work good without sleep? It might seem okay, but it is impossible to be done. To process a task in your mind is very difficult, and without sleeping you will not be able to do it. Be very aware that sleeping less than you need, some serious diseases might be developed, such as cancer, obesity or even cancer. find the main cause for your problem with sleeping and resting, and get rid of it quickly. But with this natural remedy, the banana tea, everybody will be able to get a good sleep from now on. Share this article with your family and friends if you find it helpful and interesting. For more health advice, be sure to like us and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.